So hello guys, once again welcome to Crypto Density TV. So please if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, kindly subscribe to the channel, like my videos, comment on my videos, and also don't forget to turn on notification bell so that I could be the first person to get update from me whenever I release a new video. So guys, please kindly subscribe to the channel and share my channel so that always more and more people could join this platform and earn right here. So guys, I've discovered a new website that you can actually mine free TRX, and also you can get USDT, as you all know the price of USDT right now. So guys, in order to benefit from this platform, you need to first of all sign up a new account with them. So in order to sign up, you need to first register with my link in the description box, bvtron.com. You need to register with my link in the description box so that you will not go to any other site. So guys, first of all, if you want to register, you type in your email over here, then your login password, your security password, then the invite code. So in order to get the invite code, you need to use my referral link in the description box so that you could be able to get an invite code. So I already have an account, so I'll just click on sign in. So when I click on sign in, automatically I'll sign in. So as you can see from here, this is my account. So this is my account. So if you are on this, if you come here, this is the home page, or the profile of the site. So when you come here, first of all, if you want to deposit, or if you want to know how this particular platform works, you need to click on mine over here. So when you click on mine over here, you can see that I'm having a total balance of 888.71 USDT. So right now I've deposited only 0.63 USDT, which is what 10 TRX. So guys, if you want to benefit from this platform, you first of all need to deposit before you can actually benefit from this platform. So when you click on the deposit button over here, you could see that it will lead you straight to this it will lead you to another home page like this. So from here, you have to copy this address. When you copy the address, as you can see from here, they are saying that 1 USDT is equal to 15.73 TRX. So as you can see from here to the written, please don't recharge other non-TRX assets. It will be recorded about 5 to 10 minutes after recharging. So the minimum investment or the minimum deposit here is just 5 TRX. So if there is not 5 TRX, it can be credited. So guys, that's how you actually deposit into this platform. And after depositing, you click on the invest over here. So when you click on invest over here, you can see that they are having some two plans over here. So the first one is 10% interest after 15 days. After 15 days, you'll be getting 10% daily rate for 15 good days. So when we click on it, you can see that they are saying that the minimum investment for this particular plan is just 5 USDT. So when you invest 5 USDT over here, let me say 5 USDT for 15 days, you'll be getting 12.5 USDT after 15 days. And this plan is unlimited. You can actually purchase it more and more. So let's assume that you have 20 USDT that you want to invest. So when you click on 20 USDT, you actually get 50 USDT after 15 good days. So guys, this is really super cool, and it's really legit, and I've been doing it myself. As you can see from here, my available balance is 0.08 USDT. So guys, Also, they have another plan that you can actually get 6% daily. So when you click on it, the starting amount is 0 and the maximum I think is 5 USDT. So when you click on it, if you want to invest, let's say if you want to invest 10 USDT over here for 3 days, you will get 13 USDT. So guys, that's really good. It sounds good. So that's all you basically need to do on this site, so that you could earn yourself more and more USDT. So when you click on home again, you could see that there are some VIP levels. So if you deposit TRX into this particular platform, the level 1, you'll be getting 16%. So that's from 1 TRX to 99 TRX, you'll be getting 60% of whatever you invest. From 1,000 to 4,999, you'll be getting 18%. So guys, this platform is really cool. You all can join so that at least you could earn yourself something. So that's all you basically need to do on this site. You can actually also check for the white paper. You can download the app if you are using Android, and you can monitor your team too over here. So for my team, I think I have 2 members. They've not recharged yet. So that's my team over there. So as you can see, this is my financial account, this is my base account, my promotion account. So guys, use my referral link to register and join this platform. This platform is super cool. You all can join and earn yourself something. Thank you all for watching Crypto Denzel. If you find my videos really informative, then kindly give me a thumbs up, like my videos, share my videos, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that always you could be able to get updates and watch my videos. Thank you all for watching Crypto Denzel.